On my mama, on my hood, I look fly, I look good.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her.
What's up, Beauties? It's your girl Cobella, and welcome back to my channel. I am super excited to be back in front of the camera. Your girl took a hiatus, and y'all, I promise you, I will never. I ain't gonna never do that again. But today I am here to drop some gems for you guys. I'm gonna show y'all how I achieve my super easy, super simple smoky eye. I get a lot of questions all the time asking about what eyeshadows do I use, what techniques do I use, and to be honest, eyeshadows is not really my strong suit. I'm usually don't worry about the eyes, just put a lash on and go out the door type of girl. But I also like to dibble and dabble in a little bit of eyeshadow. And I want to show you guys how I achieve this super sexy, super easy smoky eye look that you can achieve at home with the palettes that you have. A lot of people look at eyeshadows and they get a little intimidated because the colors can be very bold, can be very bright or very dark, and you don't know how to properly apply them. But this video is going to show you everything you need to know to create this look that you can do at home. So if you have not already, please don't forget to subscribe to your girl. Also like this video and hit that little bell so you can know when I upload all my videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. So without further ado, let's get started, beauties. All right, y'all, so the palette I'm using today is my Morphe 3503 Fierce by Nature palette. Y'all, let me just show y'all how pretty this palette is. Like, do you see these colors? Like, beautiful. I think they are still having a sale right now, so if you want an eyeshadow palette, head over to Morphe and see if you can find one that works for you. We're also going to use a little bit of my Juvia's palette just for the corner of my eye, and I'll show y'all that when we get started. Before we put any eyeshadow on our eyes, we need to prime our eyes. I am going to be using the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in the shade Medium Peach. After you've already primed your eye, you're ready to apply your eyeshadow. I'm going to go in with this brown color right here to start off with. I'm just going to put this on like the outer ends of my outer sides of my eye first, and then we're going to go in with our heavier colors, our heavier darker colors once we get that done. Take my Pro Fusion brush. Y'all, I think I got this from the hair store for like $1. I'm still learning about eyeshadow brushes, but the ones I have definitely work for me. So don't try to go out and like ball out on these brushes when you really don't know how to use them yet. Take the time to learn what brushes really work and how they apply the product to your eye first, and then work your way up. So that's kind of what I'm doing, because a smoky eye is all about building the intensity versus just like plastering it on your eye. You don't want to do that. I'm gonna be looking down, but I'm gonna try to explain as I go. So I'm just gonna kind of pat this in the corner and like mid center. Y'all see, it's all about building. So like, you just take your time to make it look how you want it to look. All right, so we got our brown blended how we like it. So now that you are done with your brown, you want to go in. I'm going to use this gray right here. You can see it's not as dark as the black. The reason I like to go with gray is because like I don't like to start out with black, because black is very bold, and if you don't have much control, it can look very too smoky almost. So I like to do the gray and build to give it like that very like sultry, smoky, and not like I got a black eye look. So that is why I like to do gray versus black. And we're just gonna kind of like add this here. I'm telling you, this is so easy. Like, I know y'all gonna be, when the world open back up, y'all gonna be, babe, where we going? You know, you're gonna be doing your smoky eye ready to go out, you know, whatnot. We're gonna take this plum color right here because I want a little bit more color. And I'm just gonna like blend this out. Whatever you feel comfortable with, that's where you should start. Like, if you don't feel comfortable with doing a cut crease right now, don't do a cut crease right now. That's okay, that's perfectly fine. If you want to just start with one color, that's perfectly fine. If you don't want to wear any makeup or any eyeshadow at all, that's totally fine. Do whatever is comfortable for you, and then just work on it and grow on it. And this is just a very simple, easy smoky eye, nothing too crazy or too complicated. Literally, you only use like 3 colors and we on about our day. Like, we ain't trying to be stuck on our eyes for no 45 minutes to an hour when we got a date we got to go on. So we're done with this. So I'm going to put on my lash, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I put my lash on and I put some some mascara on my bottom lash. Please make sure y'all put mascara on your bottom lash to really make your eyes pop and give that dramatic smoky effect that you really want. So just to make my eyes shimmer a little bit, because I don't want too much shimmer, I am going to use my Juvia's Place palette. It is really pretty. I can't wait to dig into this. And I'm gonna take this color Iman, and I'm just gonna take my little, actually I don't even know what kind of brush this is. I got it as a Christmas gift, and I'm just gonna like, first of all, this is beautiful. And I'm just gonna like put it gently in the corner, not too much. Boom, sis. That's your smoky eye. Like, you ready. Like, you just did this, and I'm so proud of you. Like, you just did this. So stop saying that you don't know how to put on eyeshadow, because you do. You just did you a smoky eye, and you ready to go on a date with your boo after this quarantine is over. I don't care if you're going to the living room, you still ready to go on your date, whatever. So we're gonna get started with the rest of my face. I'm gonna come back when I'm finished, because I already know how I do my face. So we just got to fast forward through all that, and I'll see y'all in the end.